Most people still don't get what $XDC is doing. It's not chasing hype, it's not built for memes. And it was never meant to be a retail-first playground like most Layer 1 South. What XDC is doing goes beyond crypto and into practical real-world execution. Let's talk about it. For decades, banks, trade associations, and regulators have acknowledged the issue of paper-based trading. But until recently, they didn't have a viable way to fix it. That's where XDC stepped in, not with marketing hype, but with a clear thesis. If you can digitize and tokenize trade flows in a compliant, permissioned, and cost-efficient manner, paper is no longer needed. And that's exactly what's happened since Lloyd's, JP Morgan, Maersk. The biggest names in global trade all on board. Next is the trade finance gap. According to the Asian Development Bank, over $2.5 trillion in trade requests from SMEs go unfunded every year. Not because they're bad businesses, but purely because banks can't process and assess them fast enough on legacy rails. Paired with lack of liquidity, XDC simplifies all of this. Through tokenized representations of trade finance instruments like invoices, receivables, and payment guarantees on-chain. XDC allows these documents to become digitally verifiable, transferable, and fundable in real time. In other words, trade finance becomes an open, liquid market. XDC doesn't just close the gap, it removes the need for the gap to exist at all. $XDC is still sitting in the boring zone. That's where the biggest trades start. Everyone wants the breakout. But few have the patience to accumulate before it. While the chart coils at historical demand, behind the scenes, enterprise adoption is exploding. Gives MiCA compliance and EU regulatory alignment. Gives you SDC native integration via Circle. Gives XDC 2.0 upgrade with 3-second finality. Gives search program for on-chain liquidity. Gives global trade finance partnerships contour, DAO maker, Orochi. It's not just a blockchain. It's positioning as the digital rails of real-world assets, trade, and tokenized finance, and when the world wakes up. This doesn't just go to 19 cents or 37 cents. The road to $1 becomes visible. The patient get paid, the curious get in, and the late, they ask where it came from. If you're reading this far, you already think different. Follow for more deep dives before the breakout.